Also, Reliance Industries that's in the spotlight on the back of numbers that will be declared on Monday. Q4 earnings, and the street is going in with the fact that it could be the highest ever EBITDA sequentially. Let's get in Somit, who tracks the company, who joins in with what to expect from Reliance Industries and Reliance Jio.
Well, in the fourth quarter, if you see, Reliance Industries is expected to report a strong set of numbers. Revenues are expected to be higher by around 4%. EBITDA is expected to jump by nearly 4.5% on a sequential basis. Margins are expected to come in at close to 18.1%, while the net profit is expected to be higher by around 5 to 6 odd percent on a sequential basis. Now, the company is expected to report its highest ever quarterly EBITDA number on the back of growth that we'll be seeing in the oil to chemical segment and also because of the telecom segment. Now, segment wise, if you see, the oil to chemical segment EBITDA is expected to be higher 13% on a sequential basis, and this recovery is owing to higher refining margins, higher throughput and better petrochemical spreads. Now, throughput is higher because in the previous quarter, that is the third quarter, there was a planned maintenance shutdown, and hence we are seeing such kind of a move when it comes to the oil to chemical segment. When it comes to the retail segment, revenues are expected to be higher by around 1.5% on the back of store expansion and higher footfalls. However, the retail segment EBITDA is expected to come down marginally by around 1 odd percent on a sequential basis, but this is largely because we are also coming off from a seasonally strong quarter, that is a festive season quarter of Q3, and hence we are seeing some kind of a dip when it comes to the EBITDA number. Now, the oil and gas exploration business, there the EBITDA is expected to decline by around 3 odd percent on a sequential basis, and that is because of the rise in profit sharing with the government gas. Because of this rise in profit sharing, the EBITDA is expected to come down. On the other side, if you see, the output number and the gas prices are largely expected to be flattish on a sequential basis.
So these are the expectations coming in from the big boy Reliance. But Jio specifically, Somit, you want to flag out something specific, what you're watching out for when it comes to Jio?
Well, for Reliance Jio, that is the telecom arm of Reliance Industries, revenues are expected to be higher by 2.5%. EBITDA is also expected to see similar kind of jump. Margins are expected to be flattish, while net profit is expected to be higher by around 2 odd percent. ARPU number, that is a key number for the telecom companies, that is expected to be flat on a sequential basis at close to 181.8 rupees per user per month. But it's the subscriber number that will aid the growth for Reliance Jio in the fourth quarter also. Subscriber numbers are expected to be around 48.1 crore as against 47.1 crore that we had seen in the previous quarter. Now, this will be the 8th consecutive quarter where Reliance Jio is expected to report a subscriber growth on a sequential basis. However, the net subscriber addition that we'll see in the fourth quarter would be marginally lower than what we had seen in the previous quarter, that is the third quarter. Now, ARPUs are flattish because despite the rising FTTH contribution, that is the broadband contribution, there is one less number of day on a sequential basis, and hence ARPUs are expected to be flattish on a sequential basis. Now, apart from these numbers, what are the key things to watch out for from management commentary would be their outlook when it comes to the refining and petrochemical business. What is their roadmap for the new energy business when they're expecting a tariff hike to come in? How has been the performance of Jio Bharat phone for Reliance Industries, and what is the commentary when it comes to the capex outlay for FY25 would be key to watch from Reliance Industries earnings.
All right, thanks very much for summing up all of that for us, Somit, and we'll be watching out very closely for Reliance come Monday.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.